Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. This is the second video in the two-part series on UpToDate. Today we're going to look at the calculator and drug interaction features. In our UpToDate Part 1 video, we learned how to use the main search bar of the UpToDate database. Today, we're going to look at the calculator and drug interaction features. To access UpToDate, visit the library's homepage, uu.edu/library, then use the Pharmacy or Nursing Research Guides or the Database eBooks and Media quick link. On the database list, you can use the letter filters to find UpToDate. Clicking on UpToDate will open the database. This is the main home screen, which we learned about in Part 1. In order to use the calculator, on the blue bar, click the Calculators function. Here you will see a list of all the conversions UpToDate can perform for you. They are initially listed by specialty. However, you can search for a specific calculation in the Search Calculators bar or list the calculations alphabetically. Click on the blue link to open the calculator. Here you will see the option to put the information and perform the calculation. Below you'll see a notes that gives you information about how the calculation was performed, including the formula used to perform the calculation. Type your information in the boxes. The calculation will be performed automatically. UpToDate also allows you to find information about how particular drugs interact with each other. This includes herbs and over-the-counter medications. On the Drug Interactions page, enter the name of your drugs. They will auto-populate for you. When your list is complete, choose Analyze. On the Analysis page, you can see how the drugs interact with each other. They're given a ranking from A, which means no interaction, to X, which means avoid the combination. You'll notice that Advil liquid gels over the counter and green tea are given a rating of Consider Therapy Modification, letter D. If you click on the hyperlink, it will bring up a page that tells you how these drugs interact and give you additional information for giving patient management information. You can clear your drug list by using the Clear List button and enter new drug names. If you need help using UpToDate, please schedule a research coach appointment today and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching the second video in our UpToDate series. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions for other videos, leave them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.